Hi, this is Kim Ray, the director of the EMERG Student Outreach Program here at AMP. In honor of Corrosion Awareness Day, my son Tanner and I are going to conduct a really simple experiment using household materials to show how corrosion occurs and what causes it to occur faster. This experiment is borrowed from the cKit. The cKit was created by AMP. It's a fun and stimulating learning experience for students, as well as hands-on curriculum for high school teachers to challenge, inspire, and educate their students on the corrosion science and engineering.
Hi, I'm Tanner, and I'm going to be leading this experiment. You can do this experiment with things found around your house. This experiment shows how different combinations of water, salt, and hydrogen peroxide affect how quickly the steel wool rusts. After 10 minutes, we can see a lot of corrosion in the cup with salt and hydrogen peroxide. The salt provides an electrolyte, and the hydrogen peroxide is breaking down into water and oxygen. These create extremely corrosive conditions for the steel wool to rust.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you learned something along with us. Please visit amp.org for more information on the cKit, how you can use them at home and in your local high schools.